The BOC supports the ongoing athletic trainer or AT professional development and maintenance of BOC certification by requiring reasonable and appropriate continuing education or CE activities, encouraging the ongoing professional development of ATs, and providing a standardized, objective, and straightforward process for attaining and recording CE programs. As a part of continuing competence, the BOC requires ATs to complete a predetermined number of continuing education units or CEUs within a given time period. CE programs must be intended for credentialed healthcare providers and wellness professionals. All CE activities must fall within the domains of the Practice Analysis, 8th edition, or PA8, that defines the current entry-level knowledge, skills, and abilities required for practice in the profession of athletic training. The PA8 domains include the following: Domain 1 Risk Reduction, Wellness and Health Literacy, Domain 2 Assessment, Evaluation and Diagnosis, Domain 3 Critical Incident Management, Domain 4 Therapeutic Intervention, and Domain 5 Healthcare Administration and Professional Responsibility. Accompanying PA8 documents are available for download on the BOC website at no cost. Copies of the full PA8 document may be purchased online. The CE categories are divided into Category A, B, C, and D. Today we will walk you through each category. Category A programs are BOC-approved provider programs. Programs in this category are approved through BOC-approved providers. Category A learning events can be synchronous or asynchronous and delivered in a variety of methods, such as the internet, podcasts, multimedia, and more. The minimum for Category A is 10 CEUs if 50 CEUs are due, or 5 CEUs if 25 CEUs are due. There is no maximum in Category A. ATs can do all Category A programs to complete their CE requirements. AT's Certificate of Completion for Category A programs will list the BOC logo and a statement of credit, including the number of CEUs the course was eligible for. ATs can also visit the BOC program directory on the BOC website to confirm if an activity qualifies for Category A. Category A programs also include the following: post-certification coursework from a Commission on Accreditation of Athletic Training Education, or CATI Accredited Athletic Training Post-Professional Program. A graduate of a post-professional degree may qualify if the scholarly product has a narrow focus of athletic training. Program faculty/speaker or author of Category A program. A residency or fellowship but needs to be a full year, and may be claimed in the reporting period when the residency or fellowship is completed. Author of a peer-reviewed journal article addressing patient-oriented research or translational research, and BOC competence assessment modules and quality improvement project. Category B programs are for professional and scholarly activities programs that do not qualify for Category A. There is no minimum in Category B. The maximum for Category B is 33 CEUs if 50 CEUs are due, or 17 CEUs if 25 CEUs are due. Category B programs can include the following: program faculty/speaker or panelist at a conference/seminar, primary author of an article in a non-refereed journal, published multimedia material such as audio or video or a home study program, an author of an article or an abstract in a refereed journal, published textbook or a peer-reviewed or refereed poster presentation, contributing author of a published textbook, participating member of clinical research study team, reviewer of a refereed publication, exam item writers, and preceptor for a CATI accredited athletic training program. Category C programs are for post-certification college/university coursework that do not qualify for Category A. There is no minimum in Category C. The maximum for Category C is 40 CEUs if 50 CEUs are due, or 20 CEUs if 25 CEUs are due. CUs are awarded for successful completion of college/university courses if the content of the course falls within the domains identified in the PA8. The college/university attended must be accredited by an agency recognized by the U.S. Department of Education, or the coursework has been deemed equivalent to U.S. coursework by a third party, such as the World Education Services. Category D programs are for non-approved provider programs that do not qualify for Category A. There is no minimum in Category D. The maximum for Category D is 28 CEUs if 50 CEUs are due, or 14 CEUs if 25 CEUs are due. Category D includes completion of professional programs sponsored by groups other than BOC-approved providers with educational content at or above entry level. The intended audience of the program must be credentialed healthcare providers and/or wellness professionals, and content focused within the domains identified in the PA8. If lay people are part of the intended audience, such as parents or coaches, the program would not be eligible for CEUs. Category D learning events can be synchronous or asynchronous and delivered in a variety of methods, such as the internet, podcasts, multimedia, and more. Category D can include the following: programs to fulfill other licenses or healthcare credentialing, and is ideal for someone holding dual credentials, employer educational courses specific to athletic training, surgery observation but needs to have an educational component with objectives, outline and letter of verification from physician, content beyond BLS learned in an ACLS/PALS/lifeguarding course. Proof of completion for any activity in Category D must include your name, program title, completion date, contact hours, and a copy of the event program that includes a description and objectives.